Your floors deserve better than a dirty mop. It's slow, it's streaky, and that bucket water, you're just spreading the mess. With intuitive controls and a lightweight design, DRYFT gets where others can't. DRYFT's performance is driven by its lightweight aluminium chassis and advanced digital motor technology, scrubbing at 4,200 RPM, power that's engineered for effortless results. Clean water is released exactly where it's needed. Every drop is optimized for maximum coverage. High-speed oscillation, combined with flat microblade fibers, penetrate deep into grout lines and textured surfaces. DRYFT's advanced vacuum system then removes moisture at the source, leaving floors clean and immediately dry. No matter where you're cleaning, DRYFT does it all, without the heavy lifting. The first thing you notice? It's smooth, powerful, and unbelievably fast. Narrow aisles, tight corners, DRYFT glides through it all. With magnetic color-coded pads, a quick change battery, and a tank that fills under any tap. Setup takes seconds because your time matters. Delivering faster cleaning with precision results. Whether you're cleaning retail floors, cafes, kitchens, or washrooms. From one end of the building to the other, DRYFT covers it all, with incredible results. With the world's lowest cleaning head, no space is out of reach. Powerful, capable, the new standard in floor care. DRYFT. From now.